Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to register a SIM card for your mobile phone. It's a simple process that requires a few basic steps. So let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Before we begin, make sure you have a recent picture of yourself and a valid ID ready. This will be required during the registration process, so it's important to have them on hand. Step 2. Open your favorite browser. Grab your smartphone or computer and open your preferred web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice. Step 3. Type the SIM registration name of your network. In the address bar of your browser, type SIM registration, name of your network. For example, if you're using ABC Network, you would type SIM registration ABC Network. Step 4. Go to the network's registration website. On the search results page, look for the official website of your network's SIM registration. Click on the link that directs you to their registration portal. Step 5. Enter your phone number. Once you're on the registration website, locate the section where you need to enter your phone number. Type in the phone number you want to register and double-check it for accuracy. Step 6. Wait for the OTP, one-time password. After entering your phone number, you'll receive a one-time password, OTP, on the mobile device associated with that number. Wait patiently for the OTP to arrive via SMS. Step 7. Enter the OTP. Once you receive the OTP, return to the registration website and enter the provided OTP in the designated space on the page. This step is crucial for verification purposes. Step 8. Fill up the registration form. Now it's time to fill up the registration form. Provide the necessary details such as your name, address, date of birth, and any additional information required by your network. Take your time to ensure accuracy. Step 9. Upload your picture. Find the section on the registration form where you need to upload your recent picture. Click on the Upload button and select the picture file from your device's storage. Make sure the picture is clear and meets the specified requirements. Step 10. Upload your valid ID. In the same registration form, locate the section where you need to upload a photo of your valid ID, click on the Upload button again and select the ID photo file from your device. Step 11. Review and submit. Before submitting your registration, carefully review all the information you've entered. Make sure everything is accurate and complete. If you're satisfied, click on the Submit button to send your registration for processing. And that's it. You've successfully registered your SIM card. The network will now process your registration, and you should receive a confirmation message or email once it's completed. If you have any questions or face any issues during the process, feel free to leave a comment down below, and we'll be happy to help you out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.